In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Strikethrough, Subscript, and Superscript text when working in WordPress. In this walkthrough, you will learn how to navigate both the Gutenberg and Classic editors to access these text styling options. We will begin by accessing your WordPress site and gradually explore how to log in, select a formatting tool within your site editor, and finally choose the desired text style for your content. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. When the page loads, locate the login option typically positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on the login button will take you to the authentication section where you can securely log into your account. If you prefer using your Google account for an easier sign-in process, simply click on the option that says Continue with Google and choose your account from the list. This integration with Google simplifies the process by avoiding the need for multiple usernames and passwords. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Here, look for the Quick Link section, which offers several administrative actions that you can perform quickly. From this section, find and click on the option labeled Edit Site. This takes you directly to the site editor where you can make changes to the layout and design of your website. Within the site editor, navigate to the area containing your textual content. You will need to click on the specific paragraph that you wish to format. This is an important step as it allows you to target the content that requires the application of Strikethrough, Subscript, or Superscript formatting. Once you have selected the paragraph, pay close attention to the navigation bar where additional formatting options are hidden. Next, locate the drop-down arrow in your navigation bar. Clicking on this arrow will expand a menu that reveals several advanced text formatting options. This step is crucial as it shows how WordPress, in both the Gutenberg and Classic editors, integrates additional styling choices without cluttering the user interface. The drop-down menu will provide you with options to apply Strikethrough, Subscript, and Superscript styles to your selected text. Choosing any of these options is as simple as clicking on the desired format. Once you have chosen the style you wish to apply, the text in your selected paragraph will reflect the change immediately, allowing you to see how the new formatting looks within your content. This instant preview helps ensure that the formatting fits well with the overall design of your website. Experimenting with these options can greatly enhance the visual appeal and clarity of your text, making it easier for readers to understand the intended emphasis or hierarchy in your content. This tutorial has now guided you through the complete process from logging into your WordPress site, accessing the site editor via the Quick Link section, and finally applying specific text styles using the drop-down menu options. By following these logical steps, you can effectively add Strikethrough, Subscript, or Superscript to your content without the need for elaborate coding or third-party plugins. Enjoy the flexibility of these text options and have fun designing content that is both engaging and user-friendly. Remember, consistent use of these text styles can make your post more readable and professional. Don't hesitate to combine them creatively to highlight key points or emphasize important information. Happy WordPressing!